Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. On today's episode, we're going to keep working on the Blazer. We're going to take a look at a couple miscellaneous things, get some sanding done, some paint prep, and who knows what else. So I hope you enjoy it. Alright, here's how you get the springs off the hinges. There you go, you come right out, comes right off. So I didn't film this, but today Ed went through and kind of buttoned up a bunch of wiring and a bunch of miscellaneous stuff on here. He hooked up transmission lines to make sure everything was good there. But he basically just went through it, everything under here and just did a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I really didn't film it because it wasn't that exciting watching wires get put into a loom and things like that. But he, soldered together a couple wires and, sealed them up right rather than having, the nut connectors, the household connectors holding them together and things like that. So that's what got done on here today. Alright, Ed and I are going to start pulling panels back off this Blazer. Ed's going to do some final body work on them and get a bunch of sanding done, and then it's going to get painted. I think so, yeah.
Mark that driver's seat next one.
Alright, one down. These doors are not that heavy, so they're not a big deal.
Thank you.
Oh no, they're facing each other. Alright, we doing fenders too or later?
No, they're staying on. I'm going to paint them out.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool.
So that, you know what? I don't have to mess with the adjustment anymore.
Yeah, no,
I'll
that's
paint these
awesome.
on, pop the doors on, paint it, and the corpse will be painted. The only thing I want to do is what I didn't do on that side because it's a new panel. I want to drill the holes.
Yeah.
So I have paint in the holes.
Are you doing the tailgate at the same time as this, or?
Paint it, you mean?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay.
I just want to get this done,
Yeah.
and then I'll do the body work and paint the tailgate.
Okay, cool.
And then put that on. But it was cool. It looked like a car when the doors
I
were
know.
on. It felt like
I
you
know.
were doing something.
Yeah. So that's basically just putting a guide coat on it, so when he sands it, he knows, you know, if there's any low spots, high spots. When he's done, he knows that everything is straight.
If there's black, then you're low. If there's metal, then you're high. I meant to do this first before I even started.
Yeah, well.
Now, you know, I gotta wait a few minutes now to open the door.
Yeah.
Well, there's crap all in it. You know, I'm undecided if I should weather strip these door jambs.
Probably should.
What I mean by that is the seam, this seam,
Yeah.
it's nice and clean in here.
Oh, to put the seam sealer on it?
I'm gonna go look at another door. I forget.
I don't think they did. Alright, we were talking about seam sealer on the doors, so we're going to walk out to the door on here and see if there's seam sealer on it.
That other door I have, I should just put on the truck instead of storing it.
Yeah.
How's it look?
There is a little seam sealer on it.
Yeah, I can see it. They really just slopped it on.
Yeah. You can see it kind of flakes off here. So there is a little bit of seam sealer on it. What about that door? Looks...
Here, they just took a brush. See it here?
Yeah. So there is a little bit.
So I'm not going to do that. I may put some of the tape seam sealer and see how I like it. That's what I might do.
Yeah.
We're going to open this door one day and a bee's going to come out and sting us.
I know. It's a gorgeous day here, but it's only like 55 degrees out, so that's fun. Had shorts on all weekend. But anyway, what can you do? Yeah, well, we're gonna run home and get some lunch. Bet not a lot of people do off-roading in their Super Bee. Alright guys, I didn't want to bore you guys to death with a whole bunch of Ed just sanding panels on this Blazer, so I figured I'd come down and give you an update on it and show you where it's at. He's reprimered, I guess most of it, and he's just in the process of doing the final sand on the primer, so it shouldn't be too much longer, and this thing's going to go in the paint booth, and it's going to be gold and white is what I think he's going to paint it, you know, the original colors, that being the gold, then with white down the center of it. So it should be pretty sharp. I can't wait to see it when it's all done. I think he's going to use the Chevy Rally wheels on it when it's all said and done, and you know, it should be a pretty sharp looking Blazer. So anyway, you can see the front fenders have been reprimed, and then he put a guide coat on it, and he's going to be sanding those out. I think he's actually going to come down here later today and work on it some. So I'll continue to give you guys updates on it. It should be pretty exciting. I know I can't wait to see it painted and finally go for a ride in it. I've actually ridden in this thing one time, basically just the way it was about 5 years ago, just around the shop. But anyway, I hope you're enjoying this. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next time. We're going to get the Blazer painted. On next episode, we're going to get the Blazer painted. Hope you look forward to it. Little crap flying out of the Blazer. I got my foot caught on. Nice.